Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the perfect white sauce for momos. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need about 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, 2 to 3 cloves of fresh garlic, and 1 or 2 green chilies. Also, have a small amount of water ready to help achieve the ideal texture. This simple yet flavorful sauce will elevate your momo experience. Now, let's build the flavor. Take your 2 to 3 cloves of garlic and mince them very finely to release their aromatic oils. Next, finely chop 1 or 2 green chilies. Adjust the quantity based on your preference for heat. Carefully combine these minced garlic and chopped chilies with your 1 cup of mayonnaise in a mixing bowl. Stir gently to begin blending these core flavors. To perfect the taste and texture, add a small pinch of salt and about 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper to your mixture. Stir everything thoroughly until all the ingredients are beautifully incorporated and the sauce looks smooth. For the ideal consistency, gradually add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water, mixing well after each addition until it reaches your desired thickness. This ensures a creamy, pourable sauce. Your delicious white momo sauce is now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully transfer the freshly made sauce into a small, attractive serving bowl. If you wish, you can add a light garnish of finely chopped fresh coriander leaves for a touch of color and extra aroma. Serve this incredible sauce immediately alongside your hot, steaming momos. It truly enhances every single bite, making your meal unforgettable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.